come onto your backs. You can pop a pillow under your head if you need. And then as you lay yourself back, let your legs come up towards the sky. Legs can be straight or bent. You're going to hold onto your inner legs. So you can wrap around from the front or from the back, your choice. Squeeze together all the way, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze with your adductors like they're trying to stay together. Then use your arms to pry your legs apart and then relax back to center. Keep squeezing in. Turn your tailbone so that it's pointing the top of your mat, so it's sending that way. You're going down towards the floor with your tailbone. Keep squeezing in the whole time and then relax to come back in. If you want to wake up a little bit more, you can lift through your legs and peek through for a little abs as you work. Good. Change the angle of your knee, so more straight, more bent. See what works better for you. Everybody fabulous. Good. You're squeezing in the whole time. And let's take up the pace a little bit if you're ready for that. That feels appropriate for you. We've got 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, beautiful, 5, 4, 3, 2, my liver's talking, and 1. Very nice. Bring both legs to the earth, let your head come down.